Hey everyone, Chad Bussanich here, Engineering Manager at SuperSprings International. One of the questions we often get is, how do I know if I need a mounting kit for my SuperSprings installation? Today I'll show you how to figure it out quickly and easily. The easiest way to check if you need a mounting kit is by using our application guide or installation instructions. In the interactive guide, you'll find a column labeled Mounting, which tells you whether a mounting kit such as an MTKT or MXKT is required for your vehicle. SuperSprings installations generally use one of three methods: a mounting kit, poly spring pad PSP, or they mount directly to the axle. The PSP mounting blocks come with SuperSprings, so you don't need to purchase those separately. If your vehicle does require a mounting kit, it will be purchased in addition to the SuperSprings. The kit ensures that everything is properly aligned and securely installed, especially on vehicles where mounting directly to the axle isn't possible. So before starting your SuperSprings installation, make sure to check the application guide to see if you need a mounting kit. It's an easy step that ensures a perfect fit. Thanks for watching, and as always, journey better.